This is me, Shweta Parasa. Today I am going to prepare Malpua, which is very famous in UP. You can mostly taste it in like Ramayan Bhandara and so many Bhandaras in, so you can take it. So first of all, you need to take one big bowl. In that bowl, you can, if you are preparing for 2 to 3 people, so you can take 200 gram wheat flour, and then you need a 1 jug of warm water. Then put this warm water in the bowl and add some sugar in it, and after the sugar will finally give a solution, then so you can add for a small amount of wheat flour in it, and just scrolling it, and after some time, if the wheat flour completely soluble in that mixture, put it aside for 3 hours. Then after 3 hours, you can take that again mixture and add some fennel seeds and add 1 teaspoon ghee, desi ghee. And after that, take one pan and light the gas with a lighter and put that pan on the gas, and pour the oil, means a half pan should be filled with the oil, and heat that oil at a very high flame. When the oil will get a proper heat, then you can take that mixture in a big spoon, and then put this mixture in that pan and slow the gas, medium flame gas, so it will not burn. And you can take this, you can turn these malpuas, and it will take 5 minutes to properly take it out from the gas, and with the whole mixture you can do the same thing. And after some time, when the malpuas will get release all the oil from it, and you can serve it with in a big plates, and you can have the malpua with curd, and the one of the most famous dish we eat in the UP also, mathe ke aloo. You can take the malpua with that. So this is the recipe that I have shared with you. So please share, like and comment on my recipe. Thank you and have a nice day.